Hello guys, this is Mr. Kwok, and today I prepared GRE Quantitative 33 Reasoning question. The category is numeric entry and the specific theme is geometry. It's a very interesting question. Let's get it guys. So here is our question and I will give you 3 minutes as always. Please use a sheet of paper and pencil and pause the video and get back to the video to see the correct answer. Let's get it, guys. Right, guys, did you get the correct answer? First of all, what is the category? The category is a geometry, and we can say numeric entry because there is a blank and then we have to insert specific numeric answer. So let's read the question together and underline important factors first of all to analyze. In the rectangular solid above, line TU is 3. The length is 3. UV is 4. And VR or RV is 3. What is the area? What is the area of the shaded rectangular region? Before getting correct answer, we already talked about the rectangular, do you remember? And then we also talked about the square. Square means it has 90 degrees, but the length is same. Every single length is the same. However, about the rectangular, like this one, even though they have 90 degrees, specifically 2, length of the line could be different, like A and B. So that is the difference between rectangular and square. Then let's move on to the point. Shaded rectangular region. In that case, which means R, V, U, sorry. Instead of U, what is it? T, S. This part is shaded area, and then if we know the length of RV and RS or VT, the area is just 3 multiplied by length. Is that correct? Yes, right. So VT, line VT or line RS. So let's get it, guys. First of all, there's a rectangular. No, I'm sorry. There's a 90 degree because it's the, triangle with 90 degree. So 4, 3, and L. How can we get L? By using the Pythagorean theory, L squared equals 3 squares plus 4 squares. Is that correct? Yes, right. In that case, L, the line is 5. How did you get it? One more time, slowly. L equals 3 squares plus 4 squares. I'm going to just write down 16 here. In that case, 9 plus 16. In that case, 25. There's a root. In that case, root 5 to the second power. And then root second power could be removed together. And then the length is 5. So we could find 5 and the area is 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So there was a technical, a little bit minor problem. So I'm gonna really explain really quickly, guys. Sorry about that. RV 3, VU 4, TU was 3. So by using the Pythagorean theory, that was 5. So the shaded area is 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. So the answer should be 15. And also additionally, important thing is a Pythagorean theory. When there is a triangle with 90 degree, such as, let's call it as a C, and then this line is A and B. I think you might have heard about it at least one time in middle school or high school, or some people elementary school. So C squares equals A squares plus B squares. So in other words, C squares equals square, open parenthesis, A squares plus B squares. And then this number was 9 plus 16 and 25. So root and 5 to the second power. So we could remove both root and second power. So the line was 5, and then we could figure out the area. So it's very important, guys. Then guys, why don't we do additional practice as 32-number 2. Here is another question. So I will give you additional 3 minutes, then pause the video. Please come back. It's going to be a little bit more tricky, but interesting, guys. Did you get it, guys? How was the question? So let's get to the point together, guys, slowly. So we have to get the result or the area of shaded part. The first one is the gray part as a B and the green one as A. TU, first of all, RV is, 3. TV is, no, first of all, TU is 3. UV is 4. So as a Pythagorean, it was a 5. This part is 3. What was this part? Let's just write down as a T prime. T prime V is also 3. Then T prime T is a 4. What about T prime S right now? What about T prime S? It looks tricky, however, this part is a 90 degree. 90 degree. Let's draw again. So 4, 3 again. So T prime S could be 5. 5. And here is also 90 degree. Is that correct? Yes, right. And then, in a different way, we can also draw like this way. T prime S V. The line is 3, 4. I'm sorry. This part is a 5. And we can figure out the area of the green one. In that case, 5, 3, and divide by 2. And then the shaded area, this part was 15. So we can just add it. So 15 plus 7.5. Is that correct? Yes, right. Then let's add it. In that case, the answer could be 22.5. Is that correct? Yes, right, guys. So how was today's question, guys? Was it difficult or easy? It depends on students. However, I hope the question could be beneficial for you guys, especially the second one or the first one either. So first of all, I want you to review what the Pythagorean theory was. Did you get it? And then if you have additional time, please prove by yourself why c squares equals a squares plus b squares. If we have time, we are going to prove together, but you might have learned from middle school. So please review by yourself, and then if you get back to this question, it's going to be much easier to understand. And then please review one more time to get the area of the triangle. And then how to get the area of the rectangular and square. Does it make sense? And then if you have some more time, please think about the rhombus and parallelogram. Did you get it, guys? It's gonna be really awesome. And then it's a way of getting higher score regarding the hard questions. It's gonna be really important and then very interesting. And please click the subscription and like button if this content was beneficial for you guys, because for the future, when I make the new video, it could be my intrinsic motivation. And also, I use normally EPS official guidebook, but I always change the number, and there's no indirect promotion. Should you have any further questions, guys, please let me know anytime, and thanks for watching my video. Have a great day, guys.